Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me, and loose the knot from my tongue that they understand my speech. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamamil khair. Today I'm going to speak about Yaumul Qiyamah, the last day. Just as Allah created everything from nothing, so too He will cause everything to come to an end. All of the creation, including our world and the universe, will be destroyed all at once in a single day. The exact time in the future when this will happen is known to Allah alone. This day is called Yaumul Akhir, the last day. It is also known as Yaumul Qiyamah, the day of judgment. When this day will come, Allah will command Angel Israfil to blow a special trumpet called a sur. The mountains will be thrown into the sky like fine shreds of cotton. The oceans will explode into raging fire. The sun, moon, planets, and stars will crash into each other. The skies will be torn apart. All of creation will be destroyed, crumbling into nothingness. Everything will vanish. Only Allah will remain. There will be no one else. A period of time will pass, the length of which is known only to Allah. Then Allah will recreate Angel Israfil and command him to blow a sur, the heavenly trumpet, a second time. This will restore creation to life. This is called Ba'ath, the resurrection. Every human being will be resurrected and will rise from their graves. They will be brought to stand in attendance in rows one behind the other. The earth will be made flat, and the sun will be brought to hang just above their heads. It will be a time of great difficulty. The day of judgment will then begin. It will not be like any other day. It will be an extremely long day, thousands of years long. Everyone will be presented before Allah. The books of those who believed and did good deeds will be in their right hands. The books of those who did not believe and did evil deeds will be in their left hands. Allah will question each person individually about their life on earth. A person will have to answer for every moment of his life on earth, every word spoken, every action done, and every intention ever made. Everyone's deeds will then be weighted in a special scale called the Mizan. Even a deed as small as an atom will be weighed. Only those whose good deeds outweigh their bad deeds will be successful. Allah will then decide who will go to Jannah, paradise, and who will be sent to Jahannam, hell. Allah is a fair judge and a kind Lord. No one will be able to help anyone else. No one will be able to speak on behalf of anyone else. Everyone will be responsible for his or her own soul. Only the blessed Prophet Muhammad ﷺ will be permitted to intercede for his ummah followers. This is called Shafa'ah. Shafa'ah means to ask Allah to show how special forgiveness and mercy to people. Allah will forgive many people through His mercy and through the Shafa'ah of the Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ will be gifted a special pond on the Day of Judgment. It is called Kausar. The pond of Kausar is enormous, having water whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and more fragrant than musk. The blessed Prophet Muhammad ﷺ will gather his ummah and give them water to drink from the pond of Kausar. while all other human beings will be suffering intense thirst. Those Muslims who drink the water of Kausar will never feel thirst ever again. People will then be made to walk over the bridge of Sirat. The bridge of Sirat is thinner than a strand of hair. The bridge of Sirat is built over the fire of Jahannam, hell. The true Muslims will pass over the bridge like a flash of lightning. The non-Muslims will not be able to cross the bridge and will fall into the fire of Jahannam. We have to prepare for the day of judgment. We have to do good deeds in obedience to Allah and avoid all bad deeds. We can easily do this by obeying the commands given to us in the Holy Quran and following the example of the blessed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here we have come to an end. We all pray that Allah guides us and is merciful to us on the day of Qiyamah and blesses us with the shafa of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.